Here's how you can use YouTube to fight back against the Hollywood executives who don't want to pay you. I specialize in creating internet cooking shows. An internet cooking show is a subscription model business that makes money just like Netflix, except it doesn't need a massive audience to be extremely profitable for the business owner because there's no middleman stealing all the money. A cooking show host can create a paid membership community and charge $50 a month to bring people together and teach them how to cook. It works a lot like a Facebook group, except it's not on Facebook and people have to pay to be a member. And with just 1,000 subscribers, the host of that cooking show is making $50,000 a month. An internet cooking show is a small business that can support paying a chef, a videographer, a video editor, a graphic artist for thumbnails, a hair and makeup artist, a food stylist, a social media manager, and on and on. That's just one example of how the creator economy creates quality jobs. Oxford Economics did an economic impact study on YouTube that showed that YouTube contributed $35 billion to the U.S. economy in 2022 alone. Here's something else you might not know about YouTube, according to a July 23rd Washington Post article on the creator economy. And I quote, "Streaming services now beat out cable and broadcast TV for U.S. viewership and account for more than 37% of all TV use nationwide," data from market research and Nielsen show. But the biggest streamer last month wasn't Netflix or Hulu, the data found. It was YouTube. End quote. YouTube is the biggest streaming platform and the second largest search engine in the world, and it provides you with access to all the analytics, including demographic data, geography data on where people are watching from, as well as traffic source data so you know how people came to find your channel. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. YouTube provides way more data than that, basically all the data that all the other streaming platforms are keeping secret. So YouTube is the biggest streaming platform and it's the one most transparent with data. And I'm going to teach you how to use it to start making money online. So use the link in the description box to sign up now so we can start building your online business. If you're a Hollywood professional, and I don't mean just actors and writers, if you're a Hollywood professional, you have skills that you can use to make money online. It might be simply by selling your knowledge with an online course. A makeup artist, for example, can easily make money by teaching a makeup course specifically targeting corporate women over 40 who have to spend a lot of time in video meetings. Turning your knowledge into an online course that solves a specific problem for a niche audience is a tried and true method for making money online. An actor might create a course on the 7 things you need to know before you move to Los Angeles or New York to pursue an acting career. You can sell that course for just $10 and still make thousands of dollars per month because so many people want to get into the industry. The same applies to writers. You can create an online course on the business side of writing because you certainly know something now that you did not know when you got started. That knowledge that you've gained is knowledge that you can sell in an online course. This is how the creator economy works. You go online and you sell your expertise directly to the consumer. This is how you fight back against the Hollywood executives who don't want to pay you. They're trying to wait until you run out of money and give up on the strike. But if enough of you learn how to use YouTube to make money and create jobs for each other, that's going to give the union a lot of leverage. When you demonstrate that you can make money without Hollywood, those Hollywood executives will come to the table to negotiate because you can make money without them, but they cannot make money without you. Use the link in the description box to sign up for a special training program I'm offering specifically to help Hollywood professionals learn how to take your skills to YouTube and make money online. When enough of you start sharing stories of how you make more money on YouTube than you ever did working for the industry will have to change.